What are the parts of an electric guitar? These are the volume and tone knob controls. This is the tailpiece. We call this the bridge. This is the bridge pickup or lead pickup. This is the neck pickup or rhythm pickup. They call this the pickup selector switch. This is a strap button with a locking strap unit attached. We call this the cutaway. This is the neck. On the neck is the fingerboard or fretboard. On the fretboard you will find the frets. This is inlay position markers. This is called the nut. This is a truss rod cover. This is called the headstock. On the headstock you will find the tuners or tuning machines. This is the pickguard. This is the output jack, sometimes referred to as an input jack. If you enjoyed this video, we ask that you like and subscribe to our channel. Looking to start a band? We can help you with that with our new How to Start a Band video. Click video to your left.